Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So if you have a program that's running and you wish it would stop running, there's this key called the run stop key. You press it and it will stop. And then if you want to see what it is, you type in list. And in this case, it is 10 print, quote, World of Commodore, with a space at the end, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. That's it, that's all. And if you want to list it, you type in list, and you can see it over and over and over. There's the listing. Very simple. And if you want to change it, you can press the shift key and the cursor key and go up. And I could also put an exclamation mark in here. And then when you're done, type in run. And it looks much the same, but if you hold the control key, you can see that indeed there's an exclamation mark in there. But keep in mind, 19 is the number that you want. So if I were to get the funky effect, if I were to put in a second exclamation, then it just runs down the screen. Because the screen is 40 by 25. If you put something in that's 20, you're going to get it twice. There it is, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, which is probably easier to read. But still, anyway, your list, you can make changes, and you can toy around with it and have a good old time in Commodore Basic. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.